Inside the secure Carissa AI data center in Richmond, Virginia, a spotless, humming server hall sits beside a bustling construction zone where hundreds race to finish work to meet the surging AI demand.
How is this project going so far?
On time, on budget, and everyone's pretty happy.
3 data centers are under construction right now, creating an AI campus, which created hundreds of temporary construction jobs.
We were at over 600 people during peak.
But when everything is said and done, approximately 100 people will work at the 4 centers.
Everything from security guards all the way through landscaping, engineers, mechanics, data center operators, electricians.
The first of the 3 new construction centers should be online early next year and is a sort of run-through for the proposed AI site back home in the Susquehanna Valley.
In terms of size-wise, in terms of everything else, it will be similar sizing to the Lancaster facility.
On the tour, workers shared their stories. Chewing and Wilmer's president says the subcontractor already completed about $128 million worth of work on the Richmond data centers.
I grew up about 15 minutes up the street here. I've worked with Chewing and Wilmer my entire career. Building this project has been incredible for my company, incredible for our employees.
The data center has other incredible employee stories, like Ryan Simmons, the facility manager.
I started out life as a kitchen manager. I worked at an Outback Steakhouse.
Ryan and I are standing in the color-coded chiller room.
This is my favorite room in the entire building.
Here he shares how he transitioned from kitchen manager to AI technology.
I did nuclear power when I was in the Navy, and they basically taught me how I should react to certain things in an environment such as this.
They also react to the criticism. They say they've heard it all when it comes to AI data centers.
Everyone has all read the horror stories and what's happened historically, but our data centers are far different to what we're used to seeing built. We're not using any water in Lancaster. We're using state-of-the-art chillers, so we're trying to alleviate all the problems that people have.
Water is a big one, but Carissa says technology is helping find better ways to cool these plants.
This is a time-tested, battle-tested method of using air cooling efficiently and safely inside the critical space. So
we have learned our lessons from before to not use water. It's not worth it. We get pushback from the city, there's pushback from counties.
Those who do not want the Lancaster data center also complain about the noise it could create.
it is loud inside of our data halls, yes. You can't hear it out here because the walls are so thick, but inside there's a lot of fan noise, humming, and you can hear a little bit of airflow.
We're in the middle of a construction site and outside a AI data center, and you can only hear the birds chirping. You have to be a good neighbor to people, and that's what we are down here in Richmond, and that's what we hope to be up in Lancaster.
Carissa says it works with the local and state power companies to make sure they don't suck up the entire existing energy grid.
That's our power supply that will go to the networking side of it.
In both locations, they're building additional electrical substations.
Behind the scenes, we work very hard to make sure that we're being efficient with the power that we do use.
The team admits retrofitting existing buildings is more difficult than new construction, but they say it's exciting to give old, unused buildings like the ones in Lancaster new life.
I think to most people is an abandoned structure that's sitting there unused with untapped power and untapped potential for team members to come in, start working, and make immediate use of that abandoned facility.
In Richmond, Virginia, Meredith Jorgensen, WGAL News 8.